Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your VivaVideo apps, you just click on the new project at the top. Click on it. And after this, you can click on the video and add the video that you want to remove a background. I add sorry. Okay. I wanna add okay, maybe this one. So you just click on it and click next at the bottom. Now, if you wanna remove background on this video, so it's so simple. So you just click on the remove background at the bottom. This one. Click on it. And after this, you can waiting. So finish that how to remove background on a VivaVideo apps. Now, I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.